Dear friends, this is exercise number 3, post reading. Post reading means after reading. In this exercise, we have to remember the story of Basit and Raheel, and then these are some statements are given in this exercise. We have to choose true statements and false statements. Remember that T for true and F for false. First one is done. First is Basit and Raheel studied in the same school. So you know this is right, correct statement. So T is written here. Second is they loved playing inside the house. You know this is false. They used to play outside. They used to go for fishing. So we will write here F. And if we look at the third, so third is Basit never helped Raheel. You know this is also false statement, so we will write F. So dear friends, this is the way you have to follow and complete the exercise. I think this is very easy exercise, so just follow this way and complete the exercise. And finally, I will revise my statement that just pause the video here and complete yourself, and after completing just resume the video and match your statements. Thank you very much.